Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Lexus RX 450 for sale. This vehicle comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Do have memory seats, door controls, seat controls, driver's seat with lumbar support, steering wheel, rear seats, quick peek up front, and another look at that sunroof. Coming around to the back, we have our Lexus RX 450 badging, power opening and closing trunk. Lots of trunk space back here. Push button to close. And let's hop in our driver's side next. Do have a push button ignition. And our Lexus display here. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 37,365. And now we have our display showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that we have climate control and our Lexus shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.